According to your hair, from shortest to longest. Shortest to longest. Shortest to longest. Ito na, banana. Ay, ano na to? Tapos na to. Ito na. Sino yung sunod na natapos? Okay, tingnan natin ha. Judge. Sino ba judge? Basta marami, judge ko. From shortest to longest, basta marami. Pakitignan ko ang basta marami itong number.